Krishna. I am Girinanta from Rhythmic Rhythms. Today, let us explore the 25th verse of the Hanuman Chalisa. Nase roga hare sab pira, japata nirantara hanumat bira. This verse tells us about Hanuman's healing power and divine protection. Let us understand it line by line. Nase roga hare sab pira. This means that chanting Hanuman's name removes all diseases and sorrows. His divine energy cleanses the body and mind of all pain. Next comes Japata Nirantara Hanumat Bira. This means that those who continuously chant the name of Hanumanji, the brave hero, gain good health, courage, and strength. What does this verse teach us? This verse teaches us that when we remember Hanuman with faith, our worries and pains disappear. His name itself is a powerful medicine of devotion. Jai Hanuman.